Looking at fescue, a cornerstone in a golf maintenance and particularly cherished for its playability and environmental characteristics, is one of the famous associated traditional link courses on the British Isles where you're able to notice this coastal environment that has the link style of golf surrounded by it. But fescue doesn't have to be at a link style course. You have fescue at your course. We're going to walk through fescue in its cool season and its characteristic into several parts of fine fescue that we most commonly find on a golf course. Fine fescue can include creeping red fescue, chewing red fescue, and they're known as their thin needle-like blade leaves, which create dense and firm surface ideal for golf. They have deep roots. Many fescues have various extensive root systems, allowing them to maintain hardy for periods of drought, and their low input needed. Unlike bentgrass or bluegrass, fescue requires significantly less water, fertilizer, and chemical intervention. This makes it a suitable choice for modern day golf management. It's definitely a great thing to have on a course. Now let's in a golf architect, fescue is primarily used in two ways: as playing the surface, the fairway, the greens, and is known for its native and natural environment surrounding the holes. So the ground hole, because fescue grows into a firm, dense mat, it is the perfect surface for the ground game, allowing golf balls to skip around and run onto the green. And it's complexly sharper and soft greens like creeping bent grass. Its native look. In its natural state, fescue is often unmowed and rough. These are tall, angled leaves and iconic for golf design. They provide beautiful contrast and color when acting in a natural hazard that forces golfers to prioritize accuracy. Because fescue thrives in drier conditions and sandy soils, its fast and firm conditions reward creative golf shot makers and strategic thinkers rather than just distance. Despite this, fescue can be very challenging to manage, and particularly outside of its cool climate areas. Hopefully, this brings you one step understand fescue and its wonderful history here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.